This video will show you how to run a Krypton BET surface area analysis with the Alumina reference material on the Micromeritics TriStar 2 Plus surface area and porosity analyzer. Remember to always consult your operator's manual for more detailed information. The materials used in this video are Micromeritics Alumina reference material, a 3/8 inch sample tube, a rubber stopper and isothermal jacket, a nut, a ferrule, an O-ring, a balance, pipe cleaners, a funnel, a weighing dish, a weighing support, liquid nitrogen transfer system, a dipstick, and personal protective equipment. Weigh the empty tube with a rubber stopper using the weighing support. Use your good lab practices to determine the mass and record. Weigh between 2 and 3 grams of alumina on a weighing dish and transfer the sample into a sample tube using a funnel. Clean the walls of the tube with pipe cleaners if necessary. For a Krypton BET surface area analysis, the minimum sample quantity that should be used is a total of 0.01 square meter in terms of surface area. There should also be an adequate amount of sample to statistically represent the material. Weigh the tube with sample and record the before degas mass as a reference. Degas the sample at 400 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes, as indicated on the reference booklet. Please refer to How to Degas Sample for Physisorption Analysis for more information. Weigh the sample tube after degas is complete. Use the after degas mass for the report. Place the dipstick on the opening of the dewar to use as guidance for the cryogenic liquid level. Fill the dewar to the circle on the dipstick with liquid nitrogen, wearing appropriate personal protective equipment. The optional liquid nitrogen transfer system provides an easy and efficient way to fill the dewar, with the dewar in place on the TriStar elevator platform. This helps to eliminate moving a filled dewar. Remove the rubber stopper and carefully slide the isothermal jacket. Push the tube through the dewar cover, then slide the nut, ferrule, and O-ring on the tube. Tighten the nuts until they're finger tight. Close the sliding shield. In the Microactive software, go to the File menu and click on New Sample to create a new sample file. Under the Sample Descriptions tab, fill out the sample and operator fields. The clean mass can be entered or calculated based on the empty tube and sample plus tube mass. The analysis conditions are parameters the TriStar will use to collect data. Choose Krypton at 77.35 Kelvin from the absorptive drop-down box. Data can be collected by entering pressure points. For a standard Krypton BET, enter 0.06 as the starting relative pressure and 0.24 as the ending relative pressure. Set the pressure increment of 0.018 to collect 11 points, or at least 5 points. Choose the option 6 to calculate P0 at the time of the analysis from the analysis bath temperature, and use the boiling point of nitrogen as the temperature. Enter 10 seconds for the equilibration interval, as indicated on the reference booklet. The rest of the parameters can be left as default. Under Report Options, check Summary, Isotherm, and BET. Select Summary and click on Edit. Select the single point BET and multi-point BET under Surface Area. Select the Pass/Fail options. Enter the upper and lower limits to the correct specification. Ensure to enter the lot number for future reference. Click OK to save. Click OK when finished. Click Save As, enter the desired name, and save. Please refer to How to Customize a Sample File on the TriStar 2 Plus video for more information. To start an analysis, go to the Unit menu and click on Krypton Analysis. Browse and select the sample files for the appropriate sample ports. Click Start. Once the analysis is complete, go to File, Open, and open the sample file. Click on the drop-down menu below to navigate to the different type of methods. Plots have blue bars that can be adjusted to adjust the pressure range for calculations. The Preview button will generate a report. Now you are ready to perform a Krypton BET analysis on the Micromeritics TriStar 2 Plus Surface Area and Porosity Analyzer. For more information, visit micromeritics.com/learn.